everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI. And if you're looking to get more cardio and steps in the comfort of your home, then this mini stepper from Sunny Fitness is for you. What's great about this stepper is that it is compact and doesn't take up much space, so you can get a really good workout with just one piece of equipment. It's amazing that you can customize the intensity of your workout with just the twist of the knob. This stepper has anti-slip pedals so you feel secure, and this stepper has a quiet hydraulic system, so it's perfect to use any time of the day. What I love about this stepper is that not only can you do cardio, but also full strength because of the included bands. So you can get a full body, well-rounded workout. But don't let this mini stepper fool you. You really do work up a sweat and you can feel the burn. This stepper really takes the guesswork out of tracking your workout because of the built-in LCD monitor that tracks calories, steps, and time. I also like to strap my Apple Watch onto my ankle because if it's not tracked on my Apple Watch, did the workout even happen? I love that Sunny Fitness has an app on your phone or Apple TV that has so many stepper workouts that are easy to follow. Is it a beautiful day outside? Take your stepper outside since it's portable and lightweight. I've really had fun working out with this stepper, and I hope you will too. And that's my point of view.